Michael Flynn, President Trump's first national security advisor. This comes even though prosecutors maintain Flynn lied to the FBI about his conversations with a Russian ambassador. Flynn cooperated with special counsel Robert Mueller as he investigated ties between Russia and the 2016 Trump campaign. In court documents today, the Justice Department said it's ending the case after reviewing all the facts and circumstances. The court must still formally approve the request. President Trump reacted to the decision, saying Flynn was an innocent man.
Joining us now to talk about the latest developments is WGN political analyst Paul Lisnek. Paul, there were words being used like extraordinary, stunning, unprecedented, but the truth is this case got very messy, and a lot of it goes back to an interview with Flynn in 2017.
Hey, Joe and Mike, it does. It goes back to an interview even in January of 2017 where he admittedly lied to the FBI and admittedly lied to Vice President Pence. The reason you're having descriptive words like extraordinary about the situation is because Flynn acknowledged his guilt. He pled guilty. And in fact, the judge asked him in that setting, he said, "Are you pleading guilty because you are and for no other reason?" And he said, "Yes, that is why I'm pleading guilty." So it's interesting that after all that, one of the things DOJ likes to do is get the notches in the belt in terms of convictions. They would have it. They had the guilty plea. So that's why this is really extraordinary to sort of just have it all undone.
Well, how, Paul, does it happen like that if he did plead guilty? I mean, how does it happen? And most predicted that he would have been pardoned by the president anyway, right? Now, no need for that.
Well, in fact, actually, the New York Post was reporting last week that the president was considering a pardon for Flynn as early as last week. And again, New York Post reporting that it was the Justice Department, probably Attorney General Barr, saying, "Let us handle this. We think we can make all of this happen." And so, at least that's the reporting. So now that's what they did. Here's the thing: it is the judge's decision, and this is not an easy judge. So they can request that the case end, but the judge can ask some very tough questions. Ask the prosecutor who resigned off this case, what's going on, what did you do? And actually the judge has the power to say, "No, I've accepted that plea, you've made that plea, and we're standing by it." Doubtful, but could happen.
What do you make of that lead prosecutor stepping away from the case without comment today?
Look, you saw it in the Roger Stone scenario as well. I mean, we don't know because he didn't make a comment, but working with the Department of Justice, as I have through the years as a jury consultant, I can tell you, these guys, when it comes to morals and standards, I mean, not that mistakes don't get made, but they're driven by justice, They're not driven by money. They don't make great salaries, so they're driven by justice. So I have little doubt the fact that when he resigned from this case and moments later that announcement gets made, you probably had a very resentful U.S. attorney who said, "I'm done with this case." He didn't leave the department, but he did walk off that case. So I have no doubt that that's what was propelling his decision.
So could we see more of this happening with folks who have been indicted under the Trump administration?
Sure. You've got Roger Stone still to play with. You've got Paul Manafort, who's serving time. I mean, there's some look, the politics comes into play here, too. President Trump faces a re-election in November. So while, his supporters, you can already see on social media the supporters of the president standing behind this Flynn decision. I'm sure if the president pardons Roger Stone and others, it'll be okay with them as well. But politically, if the president is trying to reach out to some independents or some folks who don't want to see anybody but him as president, then some of those actions might give them pause. So it would surprise me. It makes more sense for the Department of Justice and Barr to make these things happen than for the president to put himself on the front page by doing it. But we are all caught up with the pandemic, so it's amazing how much of this news sometimes gets lost in the process because we're all talking about COVID-19 all the time.
All right. WGN political analyst Paul Lisnek, thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.